National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Manhattan, or 7 miles west of Newtown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mokina and Linney around 7:10 p.m. Frankfurt and University Park around 7:15 p.m. Park Forest around 7:20 p.m. Tinley Park and Steger around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Frankfurt Square. This includes Governors State University, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 332 and 338, Interstate 80 between mile markers 147 and 149. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.